Until now, all floor cleaning methods have had one thing in common. They've all required a human being to physically perform the work. Because floor cleaning is not considered a highly skilled task, floor cleaning is an obvious fit for automation. To understand the economics of robotic cleaning, let's look at an average office building, which normally requires about 20 hours per week of floor vacuuming, with an average total labor cost of $20 per hour. In this case, a robotic vacuum would save about $15,000 per year. Remember, this amount factors in the cost of the robot. At 40 hours per week, the savings would be $30,000. The robot nearly pays for itself in the first year. In addition to the obvious cost savings by automating floor care, there are some not-so-obvious reasons that you may want to employ robotic cleaning machines. Our robotic cleaning experts will show you how to start saving money from day one. Schedule your on-site demonstration today.